my name is Emily Ewell and this is Hope, and we are going to be doing her foundation and eyeshadow today, and she doesn't normally wear makeup. So we are going to go ahead and do some fun things with her today. She does like to keep it a little bit more natural, but it's going to look really good. And you can do that the same for any of the blemishes or anything that you'd like to cover up. So with a setting powder, I actually used this makeup on my wedding day, and I didn't have to retouch once, and the setting powder was what helped so that it made it so that I didn't have to retouch anything up, and since it adhered to my natural oils, it was set and it looked natural all day. I'm going to start with a light color from Hunting Cross number 1. We are using a lot of the more shimmery colors. So we are just going to use it right up by the brow bone. So this is our angled brush, and this is sold in our 7-piece brush set. And we're going to use this as an eyeliner. So I'm going to use the same colors that I have been. So this is Springtime number 4. And what you do is you just get a little bit on the brush. And what I'm going to have you do again is look up. And you can do this wet or dry, but I'm choosing to do this dry because you can still get a very precise line. But if you want it even more precise, you can just go ahead and get it wet and use water. This is our lip gloss, and it is clear, and we're going to go ahead and use it with our eyeshadow. We've already used Springtime number 2 on her, and we're going to use that also for her lips, and I'll show you how to blend that. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the gloss, and I'm just going to put it on my hand right here, and I'm going to get some of the eyeshadow and do the same thing. Now that we've completed the makeup, this is what Hope looks like at the end. And we're just going to have her look in the mirror and see how she likes it.
Oh, I like that. The lip gloss is like the Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I really like it. It really is just like it. I can feel it on my skin, but it's not heavy, it's not cakey. And the eyeshadow in particular, I usually when I wear makeup only wear foundation, if anything, because my eyes are so sensitive that they'll start to tear up a little bit. And I don't feel any of that with this eyeshadow.